Hey guys, we're working on a mini quilt today. This is my quickly crossed mini quilt. It's so sweet. And there's a PDF available for it in my Fabric VIP group. So you have to be subscribed to that to get this. But isn't that so cute? Let's put it together right now. So if you are a Fabric VIP, you probably got a PDF that looks like this. It has 2 blocks for you, which I've gone over both of them. So even if you don't have the PDF, you can easily make this with me by just going back and looking on my IGTV channel or my YouTube channel. So you need 2 blocks. This is the quickly crossed A block and the quickly crossed B block. So you need 5 of the B block and 4 of the A block, and you can mix this up and change it, but the cutting instructions for the PDF for the Fabric VIPs is for this setup. So if you would like to be a VIP, it's totally free, and I send out free PDFs every single week just to help you sew and get some techniques and get some awesome new blocks. And you can get that by clicking in my description or clicking on my profile or going to KarinaGardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP. So simple. And each of these blocks are really fast to put together. If you've watched them, because they have their own separate videos, they are so quick. Okay, there's not like half square triangles or any of that, so this is the perfect beginner block. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, you can see I've got rows. I'm gonna just push this up so you can take a peek. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold over these rows, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sew them together so that all 3 rows are totally done. So we have a total of 9 blocks, and you don't have to match anything up. The other reason I love this for beginners. Okay, I brought my iron up here because I needed to press some things, but you can see that even though they're overlapped and you can't see them very well, I have done all the rows, so now I'm gonna sew columns together. I did press everything one way for one and then press it the opposite way for the other so I get nested seams. So make sure and do that. And then go ahead and line them up. If you want to pin them in place, you absolutely can. If you don't want to, you do not have to. I'm not going to. You guys know I don't do a ton of pinning. And just go ahead and sew them into place. Okay, I've got this whole thing sewed together. Look how pretty it is. It's kind of hard to see, but it is darling. And I'm using Wiltshire Daisy, which is an older line of mine. I usually mix and match all my lines together. This one is off the market, so you won't be able to find it anywhere, but you just check out any of my new fabric lines for Riley Blake, and I'm sure there'll be something there that will be awesome in this quilt. Okay, so I'm using a gray stripe for the edges. It is 2-inch border, and if you want to use my PDF, you can do exact measurements. Or if you are lazy, and I am being lazy today, this is with the fabric. So I've just cut 2 inches with the fabric. I'm gonna cut on both edges, do it, cut it off, and use the secondary pieces, because you can see it's quite long, whatever's left over for the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna finish that really quick right now. Okay, I have both of my side ones on, you can see right here. So now I'm gonna take the leftover, this is once again just 2 inches, and I'm going to go ahead and do the top and the bottom. Okay, I have the entire border on. Look how cute this is. Let me just move this. I know it's hard to see, but isn't that super sweet, super fast to put together? If you're looking for a fast and easy project, or a project you want to do with kids, this is a great project for that. And remember, the PDF is available to my Fabric VIPs. It came via email. If you are just finding this, and this is not, when I did this video, just know that a lot of those PDFs come back around again, especially around Christmas time, because I do 12 days of Christmas, and usually the most popular things get sent back out to people. So if you're not getting this now, don't worry, those PDFs will come back around again. So make sure and join at KarinaGardner.com
and click on exclusive VIP to become part of that group, and you'll get PDFs every single week. And of course, I would love for you to subscribe or follow either Karina Gardner on Instagram or on YouTube, and both of those places will have these videos for you. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later.